Hello and welcome to BBC News. I'm afraid I have a devastating story tonight. Yesterday, Cyclone Nargis swept eastward through Burma at low latitudes with winds reaching 118 miles per hour. Torrential rain fell continuously throughout the 20 minutes the storm lasted, flooding towns as seas overflowed. The cyclone left devastation, destroying as many as 95% of all buildings in the area. We have reported over 100,000 dead so far, leaving 70% of Irrawaddy's people dead or missing. Now, out to the field where one of my reporters is talking to a resident of Burma, and they are going to give us an account of what happened. Over to you, Stacey.
Hello, I'm Stacey, and I'm in Burma, and I'm here with Jimmy, who was on holiday when Hurricane... Jimmy, what's your story?
I'm Jimmy, and I was here on holiday, and my house, my villa where I was staying, got blown away with all my possessions, and including all of my shoes. And now there is rain in my socks, and rain just... there's another hurricane!
Sorry for that loss of connection there, folks. There was a quite heavy wind coming in. Right, Jimmy, back to you. Can you tell us how you were saved?
Okay, I was in my pool, and then the hurricane came and whoosh whoosh, whack and rah, and then it took my swimming pool and I was trapped. Then a kind man saved me, and then I got taken to hospital, and now I'm out in the storm that is after the hurricane. Back to you, Stacey.
Thank you, Jimmy, for taking the time out of your day to tell us your story. Now, back to you in the newsroom, Gail.
Thank you, Stacey and Jimmy, for that wonderful report. Now, over to our special correspondent for more detail on the hurricane.
Thank you, Gail. I am Janine, and from our current information, we have gathered that the ocean, when the hurricane started forming, was around 26 degrees, 27 degrees, due to the hot tropical sun around that area of Burma, well, on the sea. And I think that as the hurricane moved across the ocean, easterly across Burma, it picked up a lot of moisture, which, you know, increased its speed. And it moved over Burma, obviously causing a lot of damage, which we don't know a lot about yet. As this developing hurricane moved across the warm ocean, it picked up warm air from the sea, which was drawn in through the, clouds, which condenses into more clouds. And these thick, heavy clouds, we assume, must have developed into very heavy rain, causing the aftermath and before of the hurricane. And then the dry air from the top descended through the funnel of the hurricane. This caused power to the hurricane, and the light air outside of the hurricane helped power it towards Burma, and it steered it and let it grow into something very dangerous. Back to you, Gail, in the studio.
Thank you, Janine, for that wonderful information. Now it is the end of BBC News. Join us at 10 o'clock for more information.